Some houses are built to impress. Others are designed to stay with you. This Parisian dream home belongs to the second kind. Wrapped in winter light and subtle Christmas warmth, every space feels intentional. Inspired by cinematic interiors and timeless European design, this is not just a house tour. It's a story told through architecture, atmosphere, and silence.
Welcome to Creative Abode, where the art of design meets life. Explore unique architecture, innovative interiors, and inspiring spaces. Transform your home, discover new trends, and indulge in beautiful aesthetics. Let's create spaces that reflect your style, comfort, and creativity. Make yourself at home, and let your imagination wander.
The first impression is quiet and confident. A classic Parisian façade rises through the winter light. Soft garlands. Warm lanterns. An emerald door framed by stone and iron. Snow settles on the steps, creating contrast between the cold exterior and the warmth within. Nothing feels excessive. Everything feels considered. This entrance doesn't invite you in. It prepares you. This is the heart of the home. High ceilings open the space. Ornate moldings add history. A Christmas tree glows quietly beside the fireplace. Velvet seating and layered lighting create warmth, while shadows add depth. The room feels calm, yet cinematic. Comfortable, but never casual. It's a space designed for presence. For conversations that linger. For silence that feels complete. The bedroom shifts the mood. Everything slows down. Deep colors anchor the space. Soft lighting replaces drama with calm. The velvet headboard becomes a statement without speaking loudly. Winter light filters through sheer curtains. Christmas details remain subtle. Almost private. This room isn't meant to impress. It's meant to protect rest. The kitchen balances beauty and purpose. Marble surfaces reflect warm light. Brass fixtures add quiet richness. Classic cabinetry keeps everything grounded. Christmas accents feel natural, not styled. The space remains clean. Ordered. This kitchen isn't designed for performance. It's designed for daily rhythm. Where elegance supports routine. Above the living room, the mezzanine offers pause. It overlooks without intruding. Connects without interrupting. A reading chair. Bookshelves. Soft Christmas light. The iron railing adds structure while preserving openness. This is a space for reflection. For moments spent above the noise. Here, time slows again. Marble surfaces soften under candlelight. A freestanding tub becomes the focus. Gold fixtures add warmth without excess. Winter light filters through the window. Christmas details remain minimal. This bathroom isn't about routine. It's about restoration. The front yard continues the story outside. Snow covers the pathway. Lights guide each step. Everything feels intentional, but natural. Welcoming, without revealing too much. It's not just an entrance. It's a transition. From city to sanctuary. Above the city, the home breathes. Soft lighting warms the space. Snow quiets every surface. Paris stretches beyond the edge. This rooftop isn't about size. It's about distance. From noise. From pace. Here, perspective replaces scale. This room is about focus. Dark wood grounds the space. A single lamp controls the light. Books line the walls with purpose. Christmas details stay restrained. Respecting the room's intent. This is where thought leads design. Where decisions are made quietly. The backyard is intimate. And private. String lights glow softly. A small fire adds warmth. Snow softens the edges. Nothing feels staged. Everything feels personal. This space exists for reflection. Not display. This Parisian dream home is defined by restraint, atmosphere, and intention. Inspired by cinematic storytelling and timeless design, it proves that elegance doesn't demand attention. It earns it. Every space speaks softly, yet together, they create something unforgettable.